Hello, everyone. Welcome to our webinar Onboarding with M2E Sales Channels. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Michael, and I'm a business analyst. I'm thrilled to be here alongside my teammate, Alexandra, our account manager. We appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of this webinar. We hope you are all doing well and are excited to learn more about our product. To ensure you get the most out of this session, let's take a moment to outline our agenda. So firstly, we will provide you with an overview of M2E's ecosystem, sharing our story and introducing you to our products. Spoilers, there is not only one product. And following that, Alexandra will dive into exciting world of M2E sales channels, showcasing the incredible capabilities it offers. At the conclusion of our presentation, we will have a Q&A session where we will gladly address any queries or concerns you may have. Don't hesitate to ask questions in the Q&A tab. Also, you can find links to our social media in chat. Please feel free to follow us. You can find a lot of useful info there. So let's explore M2E ecosystem and its remarkable features. So on this scheme, you can see our products and the channels they seamlessly connect with. We currently have 4 products within our ecosystem. As you can see, it's M2E Pro, M2E Amazon Repricer, M2E Analytics, and M2E Sales Channels. However, we are continuously expanding with more exciting additions on the horizon. Our goal is to make the life of our clients easier, save their time and money, and we hope that these products will supply that needs. And that's going to the next slide. So our first and flagship product is M2E Pro. A powerful extension designed for Magento, enabling sellers to efficiently manage their operations on popular online marketplaces such as eBay, Amazon, and Walmart. It has over 15 years of history and boosted over 200,000 downloads. Our team has accumulated extensive expertise in the field of e-commerce thanks to M2E Pro. And in response to the growing trend of our clients transitioning from Magento to other platforms such as Shopify or BigCommerce, we recognize the need to adapt and innovate. As a result, we have developed a new cloud-based product called M2E Sales Channels, which seamlessly integrates our extensive expertise and knowledge. Later, Alexandra will tell you more about opportunities you can get using sales channels. So also we have 2 other smaller products, M2E Amazon Repricer and M2E Analytics. M2E Amazon Repricer helps to adjust prices automatically without much of effort on your part. The service fluctuates your prices within the set limits you provide, giving you a better chance of winning buy box. M2E Analytics will help you analyze performance on multiple channels, check how well your product sells, gain insights into your customer base. In several weeks, it will be available for sales channels users too. So keep updated and follow our social media to get all news and opportunities. And that's the end of our first part. And I will pass the screen to Alexandra.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Today we will focus on the M2E sales channels, our second solution. The first one, the M2E Pro was for Magento. We had a lot of users, and this product exists for almost 15 years, And one day we think about how to take the step ahead and how to take care about the other customers we have who also use the different platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and Salesforce. This is how this M2E sales channels was developed. So let's see what features and functionality we offer with the sales channels. The main purpose for this solution is to help our customers to synchronize their products with the popular channels like eBay, Amazon, and Walmart, and to increase their sales, to build like in the centralized platform where the customers could manage everything from one place, like their orders, inventory, products, product data, and many others features that will help to make the seller's life easier, So when you are registering with the sales channels, the first page you will see is a dashboard that contain the major information that really matters for our customers. It's like the shipments and orders. For example, you have the range of your orders daily, and you also could concentrate on the day, on a week or months to generate the data you have. And also here you will see the products, the amount of product that are active or inactive or not linked. This information will help you to understand how many work you need to do. For example, how many products should be linked, how many products are active or inactive, what exactly happens in your inventory. Yeah. Also, recently we released the very helpful feature like the widget, top 5 arrow widget that will help you to to resolve all the issues that came from the channel API. Because sometimes when you list the product on the channel may react with different errors, and we are trying to gather this information and to provide you with a quick solution. So the support team is also here, but we also give another helping hand like this widget to help you to increase your user experience and to make it better. Yeah. So what you can do with the sales channels? First of all, I'd like to say that I'm so sorry. It's the product tours. First of all, the sales channels is built for the customers who has the BigCommerce, Shopify, and Salesforce, and they are interested in selling on the marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, and Walmart. So when you connect the store you have, if you have the external platform, all the products from Shopify or BigCommerce or Salesforce and the channels you have, they are inputted automatically to the application, and you could synchronize your Shopify products with the channel products, and your product data will be updated in the real time, like in automatic way. No manual actions are required. The system will do everything for you, because we know how many time the sellers spend on the managing inventory, on updating the quantity, prices, and product data. So the automatic sync is here to make it better for you and to optimize the processes you have. The other hand of the features of the sales channels features is the catalog that we have. We have the separate tab with the catalog, and this catalog will help the customers who don't have, for example, any external stores. For example, they don't have the Shopify or BigCommerce or something like that, but they still have the desire to sell on channels. So for such users, we provide the opportunity to create products. We are sales channels. We are our catalog. Please excuse me for this. Now it's empty. However, I will show you briefly the options, what we have. For example, let's review the case. You have the eBay account, and you have some products on eBay, but you also want to sell on Amazon. What to do? If you have the channel account on Amazon, you just need to click on the creation button to select the account you want to create the products from, and then the product will be easily created in the catalog. And after that, you will have the opportunity to list this product on eBay, for example, or on Amazon. It's up to you, up to your choice. The creation is quite easy, just in a few clicks, and the products will appear. For such users who don't have the external platforms, we also provide the opportunity to create products via the CSV file if you are using such method. However, this is not the only, this is not the last feature. We also have the product creation, like from scratch. If you want to create one product or a few products and give it a try with the sales channels, you could create the products providing the information, and the product will appear in the catalog, and it will be completely ready to list on the channel. So how about the channel integrations we have? As I already said, we have currently we support integrations with the most popular channels that our customers ask us about. It's eBay, Amazon, and Walmart. By connecting the channel, you have your products from channel are automatically input to the application, and then it will be linked either with a catalog product or Shopify product. And after the linking will be performed, you will have an option to enable synchronization by clicking on the toggle here. The synchronization also could be enabled like in bulk with this simple option. And you not only could manage the existing inventory. If you want to list something new on the marketplace, you're welcome to follow our listing wizard, like this button, and follow a few steps. Like for eBay, it's the 4 steps. For Amazon, it's a little less. And following these steps, you could easily place your products. Sorry, it's a testing instance, so it may be empty. So I will show you what's it like. Following the listing wizard, you could list the products on channels in a simple way. And after passing the wizard, all your products will be on channel, because the synchronization is provided in the automatic way, and you don't need to wait a long time or do anything on the channel directly, because everything is placed in the sales channels, and we provide the complete synchronization of the product data that you have. So what about the orders? I know that the orders are the product tours we have for our customers. Sorry. What about the orders? Speaking about the orders, we have the possibility to import orders from the channels in an automatic way. Once your customer places the order on the channel, this order will appear under the sales channels here under this tab, and you will have the possibility to update this order, to automatically update the tracking details. For example, this opportunity is available for customers who has Shopify or ecommerce or Salesforce, for example. If you have one of these platforms, you could enable the order creation. I will show you, sorry. You could enable the order creation here for Shopify or BigCommerce, and once the order from eBay or Amazon or Walmart will input to sales channels, the order on Shopify or BigCommerce or Salesforce will be created automatically. And if you update the tracking details for your order, we will catch this data and run this update to the channel. So everything is work like seamlessly without any, any complication, no hard things for you, because everything here is organized like in a simple way. We have the sidebar with the different tabs, and all the channel grids are built in a simple way. They are completely simple, and they are similar. So because we understand that when customer starts to use any new application, sometimes it may be hard or complicated to get acquainted with the application. So we're trying to keep the simple concept, because we understood that the application might be simple for you, because the application might be simple for you, and the functionality might be powerful. So we're trying to keep by this concept. What else we have here? So we have no limitations for you if you are selling on the several platforms, like on eBay, on Amazon, and you have several accounts here. There is no limitation for you. You're welcome to connect accounts to the app and synchronize your products from these accounts and list new products, manage orders also. Also, what we have, sorry. Yeah, I will show you the part of functionality that we called like policies. Maybe someone from you who sell on eBay, like business policies. Policies give you the opportunity to configure the flexible settings for your products and to provide different listing, selling settings that will increase the sales for you. For example, if everyone has the shipping conditions and return conditions. So with the help of the policies here, you could create different policies for your products and provide the details for your customers regarding the return, shipping, for example, like configure any selling settings, because sometimes customers sell products on channels with the price that are higher than they have on the platforms like Shopify or ecommerce. So we are providing different opportunities to adjust the price on channel, for example, to increase the price, to decrease the price, and the same we have for the quantity. Sometimes the users have the setup when they don't want to sell all the inventory on eBay, for example, where they have a lot of unit of products and they want to sell only the limited quantity on, for example, on eBay, on Amazon. So we provide the opportunity to set up the custom quantity here. And all you need to do is just to specify the value you want to sell, and click the save button, and the sales channels catch these changes and push them to the channel. So all this is built for your flexibility, for the process optimization, and we sincerely believe that it will help you to build the the flexible and the easy process for you. Okay. It was only the basic features that I will share with you. However, everyone who attends us today have the opportunity to book the personal demo, where we could review your personal setup and to hear your pain points, maybe your questions or concerns or desires, and discuss this more deeply. So I will personally invite you to email us or connect with us via the live chat in the application, and the book, the personal demo, where we will get in touch with you and talk more specifically about your needs. Yeah. So, Michael, I think that the basic part is over.
Yes, so it's the end of our second part, and we are moving to Q&A session. We already have 2 questions, and maybe you will ask us more during the session. So our first question: which method would you recommend for sellers with a large inventory?
Oh, okay. Good question. Thank you. I think that it will be based on the background you have. For example, if you have the store already, the sellers, from our experience, the sellers who have the large inventory, they usually have the stores. For example, they have the websites. It will be built on maybe built on a different platforms. So if you have such platforms like we support currently, you're welcome to use the method with the connecting, your store to the application and your channel accounts, and then everything will work for you. Like if you're updating the quantity, prices, or any other data, M2E Cloud just takes these details, this information, and submit to the channels. So in such a way, all the process will be powered like in automatic way, no manual interactions, no files, no uploads, just everything for your comfort. So, yeah.
So I think we answered that question extensively. And another question from our guest is: how does the catalog handle multilingual product information?
Great. Okay. Yeah. We in the catalog, we currently have the possibility to provide the title, product title, and product description on different languages. Currently it supports the various languages, and you are welcome to, to choose the one you want to. As I know, many sellers, they are trying to build the user-friendly, like the customer-friendly product title and description based on the marketplace they sell on. For example, for the Italy customers, I will try to build the Italian title and description, so it will be more convenient for the customers to see the information on their native language. Currently in the sales channels, you have the option to provide the titles and description, product description in a manual way, but it's not the final, in the final realization. We will also try to implement something automatic. We have some thoughts about it. However, we will not. I will not say more because it will be better for you to see if you are interested to. And also, if you're interested, I could notify you personally. I know about the feature if you are interested in, because we are completely and continuously there. We are expanding the functionality, and with such questions like yours, we could grow. So thank you.
So we don't have more questions yet. Maybe we will wait another minute for you. If you hesitate to write the questions, it is a great opportunity for us to discover what you are interested in. Oh, we got another one. In terms of product sync, how does the catalog handle updates or changes made to product information across all sales channels?
Okay, great question. So let's review the question on the basis of setup. For example, if you have the external platform, as I already said, this platform will be automatically set as a data source. So if you have Shopify, let's review the Shopify example. For example, you have Shopify, you have the channel like eBay, and the Shopify will become the data source. And if you change something like product data or product details on the Shopify, it will be taken by M2E Cloud and transferred to eBay. If you have the same product listed on Amazon, the same will happen. Everything will be handled from Shopify to channels. And this process is completely automatic also. So in such a way, with such an approach, the stock and prices, they will be always keeping like up to date, because you have the central place, the central stock for you will be the Shopify, for example, like an external platform. If you are the customer who don't have any external platforms, but you still want to update the product data and to sell on the channels, we have the catalog, as I said. And if you're using our catalog as the data source, you're welcome to provide the updates like manually with the CSV file. If you have the suppliers, and maybe the supplier will give you the CSV file with the updated inventory, you are welcome to upload it to the sales channels. However, it's not it's not the I'm sorry, it's not the last option you have. You also have the possibility to perform automatic updates, like to connect your inventory management system with an API token. And in such a way, M2E Cloud will take the data from your inventory system and then update to the channels that are connected to the application. So this process works vice versa, from Shopify to channels, from channels to Shopify, and the same happens with the catalog. So for example, if the purchase happens, if someone buys from you the product you sell on eBay, for example, you will everything will change. The stock will be updated in the catalog. The stock will be updated on the channel. Everything works correctly here.
Yeah, that's all questions we got. I think we will end. Yeah, we would like for you to share your experience from our webinar and how do you like it. So after the webinar, you can contact us or vote in a form. And thank you for joining our webinar. Thank you for asking question, and thank you, Alexandra, for this great presentation.
Thank you, Michael. Thank you, everyone. I think that it's not the last our webinar. We will also arrange any different events. So thank you, everyone. Join us. Give a try with the sales channels if you are not already. Do it. And thank you for your time. Have a great day.
Bye.
Goodbye.